Today, I'd like to touch upon the very matter of the importance of taking action. There are some ideas for you to do so. Do you take action slowly, or you wish to do so in a hurry? Talking of taking action, there is an idea known by so many people in the world. As the proverb runs, strike the iron while it is hot. You've got to strike the iron while it is hot. When the iron is hot, it is the best way. It is the best time for you to strike the iron. After some hours or next day, next week, I do not explain. It is too late for you to do so. Accordingly, you do feel when the iron is hot, while the iron is hot, it is the best time for you to strike it. I'd like you to apply this idea to taking action as a matter of your reality. When you have an idea in your brain, you need to do your best to take action according to the idea. You don't have to be in a hurry, irrationally. What you need is you pay perfect attention and you surely take action according to your idea. It is a way for you to create something real. It is a way for you to produce something necessary. The wise understand this idea. The unwise do not understand this idea.